What up, guys? Hope you guys are doing amazing. I know, guys, it's been a while since I've done one of these tutorials, mostly music tutorials, but this time I'm gonna make an AI thumbnail generating tutorial for you guys. And basically, let's get right into it, guys. What I use is called Leonardo.ai. It's a nice page. It's free, guys. You get 150 coins every day that you can generate pictures with, and depending on the setting you have here, it will charge you differently. It's about from 3 to 16 coins. But I use the settings I have is only 5 coins, so I've already used one, so you see it's 145. So I've already made these, right? These are the ones I like to do, right? Very magical, static and all that. Let's do the baseline, and then we're gonna get to the full version, adding little by little, guys. Alright, let's do this. Alright, this is the baseline. A martial artist in martial arts clothing centered inside a temple. So we're gonna get something like this. Then we're gonna slowly add more and more to get to the amazing style that I've, just by playing around, having a good time, found out. See, it's not censored, the face is not good and all that. So we need to play around, find out how we can make that better. So I'm gonna add something a little bit more magical, right? So let's type something like with crystal with now we get something here. Crystal with proton ring shaped with intricate stars. So let's see what we get now. So you can see how we slowly change and make it better and better. So guys, I would always recommend that, you always play around with it. So I'm gonna leave the full prompt in the description below, guys, so you guys can just copy paste and just get right on it. So here we're getting something like this, but of course it's only one person that I want in the center, but you're already getting something a little bit more magical, exciting, right? Let's click one more time to see if we get something a little bit better than this. Now it's a little bit better, right? Nice columns, nice background. But see, the fingers also okay. A lot of times you have issues with the fingers. I don't know why the AI is like this, but that's how it is, guys. Now we have that. Let's add some more. An epic background. Let's see what we get just by adding that, if there is a difference. I think there is. I know there is. Let's have a look. You see already? It's already a little bit better, but the face and all that, it's not very detailed, not very high definition, right? So I put here, 8K and ultra high definition here, so that the AI, consider it at least. Okay, let's add some more. So we are lacking. See, I tried a lot of things to get a nice slick hair, right? And I found out that this one is the best one, which is pretty straightforward. Brad Pitt, if I at least type right, Brad Pitt hair. So what are we gonna get this time? Let's check it out. Let's see what we're gonna get. Oh, this is kind of itchy. Yeah. So now we're not really getting that this time. It's not a nice background and columns. I like it, but that's not what we're looking for. Okay. Well, let's see. We're gonna click one more time and see what we get. What do we get? Let's see. Come on. Taking a while. Sometimes it takes a while. Sometimes it's just like 2-3 seconds and it's already done. Oh, now we got something interesting, guys. And this is what we're looking for, right? Nice resolution of the face and a nice body shade and body aesthetic just in general, right? This is looking good. So I like this. I'm gonna download it. So we already got a pretty nice face, but just to enhance that and make sure it's gonna be like that every time, we're gonna type perfect face. Then it's gonna be like that every time. Now we're there, right? Looking good. Sometimes the eyes not perfect, but we can always work on that. You can always do face swap, and I'm gonna show you guys on the next video how to do a Van Damme thumbnail where you face swap. I take this picture, for example, and then I put Van Damme's picture on that picture, and that's called a face swap. So okay, it's looking good, but we want more. Let's add some abs. So perfect abs symmetry. Let's see what we get. See, now you have something a little more nice, right? Nice six-pack, nice body, nice background, and nice temple. I like this. I'm not really happy about the eyes, but that we can always make it better. All right, guys. So let's add one more here. See, now we're getting something a little better, but it's still something lacking, right? And also, it's not centered. You're not gonna get the AI to do everything 100% every time. So let's add some more. So let's see. I want, yes, nah, some more magic to it. Glowing orbs. Let's see what we get with that. It gives a little bit more fantasy, magical atmosphere, right? Some glowing particles around the temple. Most times, but not this time, not too much this time, right? I'm not seeing anything. But it's not a bad picture, right? Let's generate one more to see if we can get some glowing orbs. Yes, we got the glowing orbs and the stars. See here, we're getting the stars. But I don't like there's two guys there. We don't want that. Okay, now we have the glowing orbs going on. Let's just kind of make it a little bit more interested and let's use the word intricate. The AI like that word. Intricate glowing. Let's see what happens here. Like I also used intricate stars, right? Intricate always makes it more, I don't know, more textured, more vibrant, more alive, more exciting. I always use it, intricate. You see here already we have the glowing particles, glowing orbs here. It's already looking a lot better, guys. I'm gonna keep this one. Let's move on to the next thing. So I want it to be, normally I just type in purplish, bluish, but what I've come to find out is if you add colorful, you get a lot more vibrant style. So let's do that. So sometimes I just add colorful. If I'm not happy with it, then I just add an extra, like very colorful. Let's see what we get. We already hear it's a little bit more colorful. So it's looking good, guys. Let's generate one more with this and see what we get. You see already, it's looking pretty nice, guys. Everything pretty decent, right? I'm gonna keep this one, man. I like the body shape. Expect maybe a little bit too much space here, but yeah, it's looking good, man. So now we're almost there, guys. So now it's the architecture, right? So we can play around with that. So let's try some more. So let's try some Oriental architecture first. So always play around, always play around. Now we're getting all kinds of stuff, right? These lines. I like the lines. I always like the lines. And what is, let's see, Oriental. Yeah, it's looking pretty Asian. Looking pretty nice. Let's try intricate. Remember, the intricate always makes it better. I don't know why. It just does. Well, for the most part. You know, I don't know. Yeah, we got this. Let's try something different. Let's try something more Arabian architecture. Let's see what we get with that. Let's see. Yes, we get some hieroglyphs, and yeah, it's not really Arabian. I'm not feeling really. Let's do one more. Let's see if we get something.
I can do it. You are not Japanese. You are not a Tanaka. You told me.
We can always play around with the words. So let's see what we got here. And looks, and he's not even centered, but you're not gonna get that every time. So let's try something. Arabian pattern. Let's see what we get now. Oh yes, now we got something really nice, man. Just he's a bit far away, so his face is not very visible, but this looks nice, man. Really nice. I'm gonna download this. Yeah, just click here, you download it. Do a few more, 3 more. Let's see what we get. So you can do I think about 5 at the same time. Now we have these 3, and let's see what we get. Yeah, man, this looks really nice. Yeah, man, really nice. Really nice. I'm gonna download it. All right. This one, it's okay. He's a bit far away. Like when they're more closer, he's also too far away. So always when they're further away, the face, the details, they fade away. But the temple itself is amazing, man. Gorgeous. I like this. Unfortunately, he's not really well placed. He's not even centered. The face, I'm not liking it. Let's see. Let's just remove the Arabian. Just leave intricate patterns, architecture. And let's click. Now we have 25 coins left. That's about 5 pictures. Now 24 pictures. Pretty nice. Unfortunately, he's not very 100% centered, but it looks pretty dope, man. Really does. This one's really nice. Yes, man. This one I'm gonna download it. Really gorgeous. His eye is not perfect, but you can always make that better. So guys, the last parts, I'm gonna just copy and paste what I originally used and what I'm gonna put in the description below for you guys. So it looks more or less like this, more or less like what I already had done. So let's remove the rabbit again, and let's do the final 4 ones. Click 4 times. So on the last ones, it's gonna ask you to buy some tokens. You can just skip that. This is a limited version, guys, but you know, there's a lot of extras, but you don't really need that. Okay, now again, damn it. Ah, it looks good, man, but it's not in the center. This one looks really strong. I like this, but the circle is kind of oval, it's not circle-ish. I like them to be perfectly circled like this. A bit far away, but this looks really good, man. The background, really nice. Alright guys, that's it for this time. Thanks for being here. You know, hope you guys find it useful and entertaining. And just take care, guys. Alright, peace.